Tonight we're going to make some buffalo chicken lollipops with some special spicy ingredients. Stick around. All right, welcome back to Greenhorn Barbecue and Beer. If you're new here, my name is Todd.
Sassy.
And tonight, as we mentioned, we're going to be cooking some delicious, spicy buffalo chicken lollipops. We're going to do them up right. We're going to start them in a butter bath. We're going to finish them off on the Traeger. It's going to be really nice. Stick all the way to the end. We have a special ingredient to add. We don't want you to miss it. Okay, folks, before we get started, take a minute to hit that subscribe button. Go into notifications and hit that bell so you don't miss a thing. Let's get rolling.
All right, we're gonna do some magic on these wings here. We're gonna trim them up, pull back the skin, push the chicken down, take off the tendons, and prep these for the buffalo chicken lollipops. Okay, so I went ahead and I prepared all but one so that I could show you and also get some practice on preparing this lollipop, because it's not as easy as it looks. It's time consuming. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to score it from here all the way around. You can turn it any way that works for you. Use a sharp knife. Go around twice and you'll see all that meat there. This is everything you're going to take off. Okay. You can feel around in here and you can feel that there's this one sharp bone that runs up the leg. Here it is. Sometimes it's not easy to just pull it off or pull it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut all the way down to the bone from the leg. Here's that nasty culprit that could ruin anybody's day. So now most of those nasty tendons are up here at the top. I'm going to take my wet washcloth here. I'm going to pull it as hard as I can over the knuckle. You might have a few stragglers in there. You could always clean it up after, but you get the idea. Those are what the tendons look like. So here we are. Okay, they're all done. Yay! Okay, we're gonna put some sweet spice yar on these, Uncle Steve's shake. And then after we do that, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna stick them in a butter bath. I want to get under the skin, get that spice on the skin, on the meat. Then we're going to just pull the skin back over and go over the skin. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and put the butter in our pan. After we kind of give them a little bit of support against each other here. They're going to be delicious. Uncle Steve shake. A little dredge and some hot wing sauce, and we're gonna dust it off with some Parmesan garlic from Kosmos. It's gonna be great. Let's put them on the grill. Okay, Traeger is set to about 250. Right now it's probably at like 265. And we're gonna put these on the Traeger and we're gonna bring them up to 165, and then we're gonna pull them off. Actually, is it 165, babe? You're going to help me out, or you're going to leave me stranded? You suck.
You're cooked.
You suck. Okay, so look at how nice. I got them to stand. Isn't that awesome? I'm so smart. Here we go. Putting them in. Beautiful. They're all standing.
All right.
Am I smart or what?
Okay, baby.
Okay, so they're gonna cook until internal temperature is 165 or 160, and we're gonna pull them off. We're gonna glaze them. We're gonna put them back on the grill, and then after that, we're gonna lightly dust them with some of that Cosmos garlic Parmesan dust. It's gonna be great. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna take these out of here, put them on this rack, and then I'm gonna sauce them up with this spicy garlic B-dubs buffalo sauce.
That's the buffalo sauce.
Yes.
All right.
So I've done shaking it up here.
Uh-huh.
Okay, that's plenty sauce. That's like a whole cup of sauce. You just do whatever you need. I'm gonna hold this in my left hand. I'm gonna grab me a leg. I'm just gonna dip. We're gonna turn up the Traeger to about 350 or so, in between there, in between 300 and 350. And then we're going to put these gorgeous buffalo chicken lollipops on there. We're gonna let the glaze set for as long as it takes. We're just gonna keep checking them. And then we're gonna dust them. Okay, my buffalo chicken lollipops are done. All right, here they are. They're very hot, so, but I kind of want to pick one up just to show you. Look at that. Look at that. Now, we're going to lightly dust them. And I do mean lightly because this stuff is hot. I know I said I was going to do a garlic Parmesan dust, but bam. We're doing the buffalo hot dust. Almost forgot I had this. I'm the cook tonight. I can change my mind. This is what we're doing. Ready? I'm gonna shake it right over the lollipops ever so gently because you know what? This really is hot stuff. Look how pretty that is. The dust is setting. Okay. I know it doesn't look like a lot. But really, honestly, that's all it needs because this stuff is really hot. We're back. We're all done. We're ready to do a taste test.
All right.
Look at these. Aren't they pretty?
I'll take this one right here.
Go for it, baby.
Focus is there. We go. Look at that. You got a beautiful color combination of Uncle Steve's shake and the buffalo sauce from Buffalo Wild Wings. Good stuff. And then, of course, some Kosmos Q wing dust, buffalo hot wing dust. So there's a lot of buffalo in these chickens right here. So, all right,
You ready?
baby. Ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
All right. Whoa.
Oh,
That's hot. But, you know.
it's so good though.
Woo! Not bad. I mean, you know, it's definitely hot. But hey, that's what
Oh my
milk
God.
is for.
They're good.
That's what milk is for, right, baby?
Oh, your eyes? Are your eyes watering?
My eyes watering? I don't
Don't
know.
cry,
Are they
babe.
watering? Oh, that's good.
That's delicious.
think that was about total 2 hours on the Traeger. So what the Sassy Kitchen Queen did here was first she lollipopped these chicken legs, put them in a butter bath. After rubbing them down with a little bit of Uncle Steve's shake, put them on the Traeger at 250, low and slow. We use the Traeger Gourmet blend, which has hickory, cherry, and mesquite as a blend. Did that till it was about, I don't know, 150, 155 or so like that. Brought them out, and then used some of that Buffalo Wild Wings
Sauce.
B-dub, I think they call it. You know, hot wing sauce. Really good stuff. Yeah, let's give them a little picture. And of course, gotta mention Uncle Steve's shake.
Cosmo Buffalo Hot Dusting Sauce. Dust. All right, guys. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget, if you like this video, hit like and subscribe. Tap that bell for more future videos. And we're going to wrap it up and finish these lollipops. Well, not all of them, but most.
All right, guys.
Bye.
Later.